If you're tired of double tracking time across tools, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you how to stop the frustration of tracking the same time in multiple places, saving you time and effort. Stick around till the end because I'll show you an exclusive tool that solves this problem and offer a free trial only available to my viewers. The first thing to keep in mind when you're trying to avoid double tracking time across tools is to choose the right software that integrates with everything you're already using. If you're jumping between task managers, calendars, and time trackers without syncing them, you're basically asking for duplicate entries. Start by picking software that offers integration across the tools you already use, like your calendar, project management tools, and time tracking apps. This will ensure that your time tracking is consistent and automatic without you needing to manually input or copy-paste entries. Without integration, you're prone to errors, and that's the last thing you need when you're trying to stay efficient. Next, get into the habit of using a single point of entry. You should have one main hub where you input your time, whether it's a time tracker or project management tool. Keep that one central and make sure all your other apps sync with it. The more you can centralize, the less likely you are to accidentally track time in multiple places. If you're working in a team, make sure everyone is aligned on using the same system. This helps ensure consistency and prevents multiple people from tracking the same task separately. If your team is all over the place with different apps and systems, you'll end up with conflicting data that you have to clean up later. One trick that a lot of people overlook is setting up automation to track time. With some time tracking tools, you can set up triggers based on the tasks you're working on, so you don't even have to manually start the timer. This can save you time while preventing errors from manual entries. This is a huge time saver when you're working across several tools and trying to keep things streamlined. Now, here's the key takeaway. Avoiding double tracking time across tools boils down to two things: choosing software with seamless integrations and centralizing your time tracking into one place. When you reduce manual data entry, you reduce the chances of errors, saving you both time and frustration. To make this even easier, I've partnered with a software that does this perfectly. You can get an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel, linked below. I've used it myself, and it's been a game changer. If you want to follow along, go ahead and grab that free trial. Remember, keep your time tracking centralized and automated wherever possible. That's the way to avoid double tracking and get your time back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for that free trial, and I'll see you in the next video.